Everyone, welcome back to my channel Holistic Living. So today again welcome back, and today we're going to make creamy Alfredo Maggi, and it's very tasty and it's a very new and unique type of Maggi's recipe. So let's get started. And friends, for this I will tell you the materials by the video only. So first, as we are making a type of Maggi, we need Maggi firstly as per as you want to take, as per as your family members, and we need boiling water. So first you have to boil this Maggi. You have to put all the Maggi in it, and if you think that there is less water in it, then you can put more water. So as you can see that there is some less water in it. So as per as according, we'll put more water, in which it can be easily made. Do try it. And our Maggi should be fresh and beautiful also. It should be good. So we'll put some oil. We are using olive oil here. You can use any other oil. And put the flame on high. So हमारी जो मैगी है वो उबल गई है अच्छी तरीके से. देख सकते हैं आप कि हमारी मैगी उबल गई है. चलिए अब हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप की ओर बढ़ते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, अब हमने ये छन्नी ले ली है और इससे अब हमें मैगी को छानना है. तो चलिए छानते हैं. हमारी मैगी छन गई है. अब हमें इसे ऐसे रहने देना है. अब इसका सारा पानी थोड़ी देर में ही निकल जाएगा. ऐसे आपका जो भी सिंक है उसमें ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ा सा कर दीजिए, निकल जाएगा पानी. So we have boiled our Maggi and it is ready. So now let's move to our next step. So now we have to roast our vegetables. So first I am putting some oil in it, and the flame is on high. And so now we have to put vegetables. I have taken these carrots, gajar also. And then now we have to put this green capsicum in it. And now for greenish also, for garnishing also, I like to add this red and yellow capsicum. Like this. You can put any vegetables that you want. So now we have to cook it till it is soft, approximately till 2-3 minutes. हमारी वेजिटेबल रोस्ट हो रही हैं, तब तक हम पहले तो हम एक पैन या फिर कढ़ाई लेंगे, उसको गरम कर लेंगे, और अब हम इसमें ऑलिव ऑयल, बटर या फिर कोई भी अदर ऑयल डाल सकते हैं. मैं यहाँ पे अभी ऑलिव ऑयल यूज कर रही हूँ. ये वाला ऑलिव ऑयल ये अच्छा रहता है. तो चलिए अब डालते हैं. सो डालते हैं. करीबन इतना ऑयल डालना है. अब हम इसमें डालना है ऑल पर्पस फ्लोर, यानी कि मैदा. हमें ये मैदा सिर्फ 2 स्पून डालना है. सो अब हमें इस ऑयल को अच्छे से गरम कर लेना है. तो हमारा ऑयल अब अच्छे से गरम हो गया है. अगर आपका ऑयल ज्यादा गरम हो रहा हो तो आप फ्लेम को बंद कर दीजिए. जैसे मेरा ऑयल थोड़ा सा ज्यादा गरम हो गया था. और हम इसमें कम ऑयल इसलिए डालेंगे क्योंकि ये मैदा वाला जो हमने मिक्स किया था थोड़ा थोड़ा गाढ़ा भी हो गया है. तो जब हमारी ऐसी कंसिस्टेंसी होगी तब हमें इसमें डालना होगा ये आधा कप मलाई. अब हमें इसे अच्छे से मिक्स करना होगा. So now we have to mix the malai and our rest batter well. After mixing it, we have to put some chili flakes in it. After putting chili flakes, we have to put this oregano also. So now we have to mix it in the batter well. We have mixed the oregano and chili flakes well. So now let's also put some Maggi masala in it and mix it. We have to put Maggi masala at least 4 packets if we are using 8 packets of Maggi. So now we have to put all our roasted vegetables in it. Now we have to again mix it. Mix it well. Now we have to put all our Maggi in it, which we have boiled before. We have to do it like this. Slowly we have to put all our Maggi. So now we have done it, and now I will serve it. First I will mix it like here it is not mixed, so that's why. First you have to mix it very well, then only it will taste good. And then some part of the Maggi will be fika. It will be too bland. So our creamy Alfredo Maggi is ready. So now I will serve it. जिस चीज का हमें इंतजार था वो चीज पेश है. तो दोस्तों हमारी क्रीमी टेस्टी व्हाइट सॉस अल्फ्रेडो मैगी रेडी है. वाओ, ये बहुत टेस्टी बनी होगी. ये रियली बहुत टेस्टी है. आप जरूर ट्राई कीजिएगा.